On Rahul Gandhi's statement, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma says that when it comes to dynastic politics, Rahul Gandhi must know the meaning of this.
Now, first of all, when it is dynastic politics, he must know the meaning of that. Amit Shah's son is not in BJP, but his entire family is in Congress. So today, he slammed everything, but he doesn't know that he is the core reason of everything. So if a family, mother, father, grandfather, sister, brother, everybody is in politics and controlling a party, where he will see parallel to that? Can Rajnath Singh's son, who is just a MLA of UP, can he be compared with Priyanka Gandhi? Does he control Congress party? Does he control BJP? So it is called basically a very, very difficult mindset. He is a Brahmin or so-called Brahmin, and he asks reporter, who are you from the OBC? By first you change yourself. You empower your own party, then you talk about others. You go out of Congress, you give it to a fresh people, then you talk about dynastic politics. How Amit Shah's son come into here? He thought that BCCI is a BJP wing. So poor illiterate fellow, what he can say more?
Sir, एक आरोप लगाया है कि बीजेपी religious institution पे.
Well, that's the statement from Himanta Biswa Sarma, as you were pointing out, Nyamika, because even when it comes to the clarification issued by Shashi Tharoor, doesn't seem to have cut ice, because here the BJP leaders have been taking on Rahul Gandhi, saying that it is their own leaders who have exposed the Congress from within.
That's right, as the BJP is continuously raising this point that it is the Congress party's own leader which is pointing out that Congress is a family-run party. The statement which has been given by Shashi Tharoor is a new statement which has come on the part of the Congress leader, because earlier we have seen that it was the BJP which used to attack the Congress by calling it a family-run party, by saying that they are doing dynasty politics, because it is just one family which is running this party, as that is the big allegation which BJP used to make. But now it is Shashi Tharoor who is the CWC member, and I would also like to mention that Shashi Tharoor is the one person who had contested for the presidential polls as well within the Congress party, who had contested those elections against Mallikarjun Kharge, who is currently the Congress president. So for that matter, his statement is a very important statement which had come because Shashi Tharoor has also said that if the India Alliance will come into power in the next general elections, either Mallikarjun Kharge or Rahul Gandhi can become the PM face, because the Congress party is a family-run party, and that is what is also being repeated by the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma. He has also attacked Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, and he has mentioned that it is the Congress which is doing dynasty politics. Whatever allegations are being made by Rahul Gandhi, that are completely false, because he has mentioned about Jai Shah, who is the son of Home Minister Amit Shah, but he has nothing related to the politics. He is being there in BCCI, and that cannot be called as dynasty politics, and that is the reason he had also taken a jibe over Rahul Gandhi, as he mentioned that if he is talking about dynasty politics, he needs to understand what is the real meaning of dynasty politics, and that is what he has said, that this entire issue had come up from the Congress party itself, because we have seen that how the Gandhi family is being there at the top positions within the Congress. They are the one who takes all the decisions within the Congress party, and that is the reason why BJP is making such kind of allegations, such kind of remarks against the Congress as well as the Congress leaders.
Nyamika, please do stay on with us. Now, this is something, as far as Congress party is concerned, it is also finding a backing in other alliance parties like the Samajwadi Party. Their leader comes out to say that it is actually the BJP which is a dynastic party, and have been citing several examples of leaders within the BJP saying that they attack other parties, but this is the dual face of the BJP which hasn't been exposed, and the BJP does not have any right to criticize other political parties.
मिजोरम के अंदर जो बात कांग्रेस के नेता राहुल गांधी जी कर रहे हैं, उस बात से इनकार नहीं कर सकता। निश्चित रूप से भारतीय जनता पार्टी में परिवारवाद पूरी तरीके से है, चाहे वो नौट ठाकुर को ले लीजिए, चाहे बीसीसीआई के सचिव जय शाह को ले लीजिए, चाहे राजनाथ सिंह जी बेटे पंकज सिंह का सवाल हो, और चाहे कल्याण सिंह जी अपने राज्यपाल रहे, उनके निधन के बाद उनके बेटे और उनके पोते राजनीति में एक साथ हैं, और ऐसे कई उदाहरण हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी में।